we can take on the entire Pakistan.
We have set a new normal, and the new normal is that we will follow an offensive strategy. Wherever terrorists are, we have to kill those terrorists.
पहलगाम आतंकी हमले के बाद से ही भारत पूरी तरह से अलर्ट हो चुका है और पाकिस्तान को मुंहतोड़ जवाब दे रहा है। और ऐसे में भारतीय सेना ने कहा है कि भारतीय सेना इतनी ताकतवर है कि वो पाकिस्तान के किसी भी हिस्से को निशाना बना सकती है। जी हाँ, दरअसल एयर डिफेंस चीफ लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल सुमेर इवान ने कहा है कि पाकिस्तान मुख्यालय रावलपिंडी से हटाकर खैबर पख्तूनख्वा तक क्यों नहीं ले जाया जाए, मगर वो हमारी रेंज में ही रहेगा। जी हाँ, इसके साथ ही उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि दिन ब दिन हमारी सेना ताकतवर बनती जा रही है और पाकिस्तान में जितने भी आतंकी ठिकाने हैं उसको तबाह करने में कामयाब होगी।
India has an adequate arsenal of weapons to take on Pakistan right across its depth. So we are absolutely capable from our borders or even in depth where we can take on the entire Pakistan. And the GHQ can move from Rawalpindi to KPK or wherever they want to move, but they are all within range.
इसके साथ ही आपको ये भी बता दें कि इजराइल में भारतीय राजदूत जेपी सिंह ने कहा है कि ऑपरेशन सिंदूर खत्म नहीं हुआ है। उन्होंने पाकिस्तान से मांग की है कि सज्जाद, जकीर, हाफिज जैसे बड़े आतंकी जो है उन्हें भारत के हवाले कर दिया जाए, नहीं तो भारतीय सेना उनका खात्मा करेगी। क्योंकि ऑपरेशन सिंदूर की शुरुआत इसीलिए हुई थी कि जितने भी आतंकी ठिकाने हैं पाकिस्तान में उसे भारतीय सेना तबाह कर देगा और रणनीति पूरी तरह से अब बदल चुकी है। इसके साथ ही आपको ये भी बता दें कि वहीं भारतीय सेना ने इसकी खुशी भी जाहिर की है कि पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ जो भी स्वदेशी हथियार थे भारतीय सेना के पास वो काफी कारगर साबित हुए हैं, जिनमें से आकाश तीर एयर डिफेंस और L-70 एयर डिफेंस गन ने पाकिस्तान के सारे मिसाइल और ड्रोन जो उन्होंने भारतीय सेना पर हमला करने की कोशिश की थी, जिसके जरिए उन्हें तबाह कर दिया है।
The aim of this, objective of this Operation Sindoor was to attack terrorist infrastructure as well as the supporters of those terrorists. And on May, this incident in Pahalgam happened on 22nd of April, and on 7th of May we launched this Operation Sindoor. And the two main groups which are involved in cross-border terrorism from Pakistan are Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed, and they have been creating problem over the past 2-3 decades to us. It is not for the first time that they have attacked in the sense cross-border terrorism, and all these groups are involved. Even in the past, over the past 2 decades, they are involved in number of terrorist attacks in India. And we launched this operation early morning on May 7th. Our forces attacked terrorist launching pads in and around Muzaffarabad, headquarter of Lashkar-e-Taiba in Muridke, as well as headquarter of Jaish-e-Mohammed in Bahawalpur. Terrorist infrastructures were destroyed, 100 terrorists got killed. And then after this first phase of attacks, Pakistan forces, they started attacking our military installations. And when they attacked our military bases, military camps on the Indian side, then our forces decided to attack and teach them a lesson. And then on May 10th, early morning, our forces attacked their army bases, radar system, aircrafts, and they attacked Noor Khan base, which is the headquarter of their army. We attacked Sargodha, and we attacked many other air bases. And that's how, they got panicky. Their Director General of Military Operations called our Director General of Military Operations, and that's how they asked to de-escalate. And we entered into a ceasefire in the evening of 10th of May. So the ceasefire is still holding on, but we have made it very clear that this Operation Sindoor, it's paused. It's not yet over. So our fight against terrorism will continue. We have set a new normal, and the new normal is that we will follow an offensive strategy. Wherever terrorists are, we have to kill those terrorists, and we have to destroy their terrorist infrastructure. So that's still not over, but yes, at present, while we are speaking, ceasefire is intact.